Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make buttermilk at home. Mix 1 tablespoon lemon juice or white vinegar into 1 cup milk, stir gently, and let it rest 10 minutes until slightly thickened. Use this in recipes calling for buttermilk, including pancakes and cakes, for tender crumb and light rise. It's fast, reliable, and uses pantry staples, so you never need to run to the store. Choose your milk based on desired richness and texture. Whole milk creates a creamier, more robust buttermilk substitute that browns nicely in baking, while low-fat milk makes a lighter version. Unsweetened non-dairy milks like soy or oat can be acidified too, though textures may vary slightly. Match the milk to your recipe and taste preferences, and remember acidity is the key functional element for leavening and flavor. If you're enjoying this guide, please hit subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy kitchen hacks. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. I go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, and they make long baking sessions way comfier. It's a small upgrade that keeps your feet happy while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After the resting time, check for a slight curdle and tang to confirm your homemade buttermilk is ready. If you want a thicker consistency, whisk in 1 tablespoon plain yogurt per 1 cup milk and let it rest a few minutes. Always add the substitute cold to batters and doughs to preserve leavening reaction. These small adjustments help mimic cultured buttermilk for reliable baking and cooking outcomes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.